In this lesson, you will learn about the history of brand identity. Brand identity is the heart and soul of a company's branding, the very essence that speaks before words are ever exchanged. It's the first impression, the magnetic pull that often guides consumers toward their decisions. To truly grasp the breadth of brand identity, we must journey through time, exploring how the art of branding has evolved, shaping not just how businesses present themselves, but how they connect, engage, and share their values with the world. Only by understanding its roots can we appreciate its power today. Our story begins thousands of years ago in the ancient worlds of Egypt and Rome, where the first traces of brand identity emerged. Craftsmen marked their pottery and jewelry with hieroglyphs and symbols, early efforts to distinguish their work and communicate value. These symbols identified the maker and gave the items a unique significance. A potter might carve a distinct mark on the bottom of his vases, a simple yet powerful statement, "I made this." These humble symbols were the forerunners of modern logos. As time progressed, these marks evolved. In the Middle Ages, skilled worker guilds began using distinct emblems to set their products apart and adorn their buildings. This was branding taking a leap forward, a single stamp assuring both quality and origin. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries, an era of smoke and gears, the first industrial revolution. In the midst of this explosion of products, it became clear that a mere symbol wasn't enough. What companies needed was a soul, an enchanting story to captivate the eager consumer. Boxes and bottles came alive with colorful labels, and the streets were transformed into a canvas for posters, each one singing the praises of a different brand, weaving tales of their uniqueness and charm, just like this Heinz Company advertisement here. The late 1800s was the birth of many of the companies we still are so loyal to. A beverage company called Coca-Cola ventured into the emerging world of branding, initially using a simple typewritten logo. However, the founder quickly recognized the need for a transformation. A man named Frank Mason Robinson, one of the earliest marketers, was responsible for designing the blueprint of the Coca-Cola logo, an emblem that would go on to become one of the most recognizable in the world. They did experiment a bit with this other fancy logo that got trashed, and they then went back to the script with some refinements. If there is something that has been so consistent with Coca-Cola, it's their logo. And though there has been some changes since it was first created, they have kept the same script representing the age of its inception. But Coca-Cola's logo wouldn't be the same without other elements which accompany the brand as a whole. The bright red color, complemented by the white. The 1800s were also the birth of a jeans brand that would become a household name. It began its journey as the Two Horse brand, using its logo for the first time in 1886, and later evolved into the famous Levi's. As the story goes, in 1890, they faced a challenge. Their jeans patent was expiring, and they needed a creative way to demonstrate the strength and the quality of their jeans to a diverse audience. You see, in those days, not everyone could read, especially the cowboys and folks living in rural areas who were their likely customers. Levi's came up with a brilliant idea. They designed a logo showing two horses trying to pull a pair of jeans apart, but the jeans wouldn't tear. This image was more than just a logo. It told a story of durability and quality that everyone, regardless of language or literacy, could understand. People started referring to Levi's jeans as the two pants with the horses, just by recognizing the logo on the leather patch. The name Levi didn't become popular until 1928, but the brand's identity has evolved tremendously since its early days. Today, the logo still retains elements of its original design, like the two curved arches that you can see on their jeans, but Levi's has transformed from just being about tough, long-lasting pants to encompassing style and passion. It exudes a rustic, timeless vibe that appeals to all ages and genders. Teenagers adore Levi's for its vintage charm and the thrifty hipster appeal. Millennials and young adults of the startup generation see wearing Levi's as a status symbol, a badge declaring, "I'm an innovator." The brand's unwavering commitment to quality resonates across generations. And for the older generations, Levi's is a symbol of enduring wisdom, a nod to its rugged origins and deep cultural roots. Levi's today isn't just a jeans brand, it's a tapestry of stories and identities, from the lovely rebels to the rustic woodmakers, from the rock and roll music festival goers to the everyday innovators. It's a brand that has woven itself into the very fabric of history and culture. As the 20th century dawned, the stage was set for brands to become icons. Television, a magical box of moving pictures, brought brand stories into living rooms across the globe. In the captivating world of storytelling and fantasy, there is a name that resonates with joy, adventure, and dreams: Disney. This brand story is a remarkable saga of innovation, consistency, and transformation, standing as a beacon in the world of entertainment and beyond.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future.
The Disney narrative began with a visionary named Walt Disney. He wasn't just an artist or a filmmaker. He was a storyteller who brought to life characters that would become icons for generations. At the forefront was Mickey Mouse, a character who embodied the spirit of Disney: joy, optimism, and boundless adventure. The essence of Disney's brand identity, the Disney Castle, an iconic symbol, represents a world where magic is real and fairy tales come true, captivating the hearts of children and adults alike. Over the years, Disney has grown and evolved, embracing new technologies and narratives to reach a global audience. However, its core identity remains unchanged. The Disney brand is more than just movies and characters. It's a promise of magical experiences, a gateway to a world where dreams are possible, and a source of inspiration and comfort. Disney's brand transcends language and culture, appealing to people of all ages across the globe. It's a brand that represents creativity, innovation, and excellence. For children, Disney ignites the imagination and brings stories to life. For adults, it offers a nostalgic journey back to the innocence and wonder of youth. Numerous instances from the 20th century demonstrate how brand identity didn't just establish iconic brands, but also breathes life into them, making them dynamic entities. But if brand identity was crucial in the 20th century, it's a necessity for this 21st century. The digital age, the visual age. Brand identity is nowadays the very air businesses breathe. It's digital, it's print, it's the package you receive, and the social media posts you interact with. Graphic designers are the wizards behind this magic, painting stories not with brushes, but with pixels and ideas. Every day, new brands are born, each unique, born from the depths of the imagination and creativity of someone like you. You are the heirs to this grand legacy of branding, carrying the torch forward in a world that watches in 4K resolution. Brands like Google have made their mark not just with a colorful logo, but with a user experience so intuitive, it's second nature. Amazon's Smile logo promises a world of products at your fingertips. And Nike's swoosh isn't just about shoes, it's about aspiration, the drive to just do it. Your canvas is vast and the possibilities are endless. You wield the power to make a local bakery's logo as cherished as their bread, to turn a startup's vision into a visual symphony that resonates with the hearts and minds. As graphic designers, you are the modern-day magicians of the marketplace, shaping perceptions and crafting the intricate fabric of brand identity that stretches back through the ages. Your work is the whisper of history and the roar of the future, all captured in the colors, shapes, and stories of the brands you bring to life. And so the story continues with you, the designers, holding the pen that writes the next chapter in this epic saga of branding.